Model, 69-plate Vauxhall Vivaro L2 Diesel 2900 1.5d 100PS Dynamic H1 van, showroom quality. Smiling face spares OR repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 92,494. MOT, 24 October 2024. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Engine has a bottom-end knock, will need repairing or replacing. Well worth getting this back to its former glory. What a tidy van. Smiling face. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.